In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track task progress in Asana. By the end, you'll feel confident checking where work stands and making sure nothing slips through the cracks. Start by opening Asana on your desktop and navigating to the project that contains your tasks. Use the sidebar to select the project so you're working in the right place. Keeping your work centralized in a single project makes tracking much easier, especially if you collaborate with a team. Next, click the task you want to track. This opens the Task panel, usually on the right side of your screen. The Task panel is your command center. It shows all the important details in one view, so you don't have to jump around. Take a moment to look at the due date and the assignee. The due date tells you exactly when the work should be finished, and the assignee shows who owns it. Even if you're just reviewing progress, these two fields provide context for priority and accountability. If you notice something out of sync, make a mental note to coordinate with your team so dates and responsibilities stay accurate. Now, check the progress section at the top of the task panel. Here, you can mark the task as incomplete or complete. This simple toggle drives most of Asana's tracking. When a task is marked complete, it rolls up to your project progress and instantly reflects in overviews and reports. Leave it as incomplete until the work is actually done, so your project stays truthful and easy to trust. If your project uses custom fields for status, update the status field to reflect where the work stands, such as not started, in progress, or completed. These fields can be tailored by your team, so your exact options may vary. The key is to keep the status aligned with reality. Consistent updates make project reviews faster and clearer for everyone. When you want a bigger picture, go to the top of your project and click Progress. The Project Progress view gives you an overview of all tasks and their completion status. It's a great place to spot patterns, see how close you are to the finish line, and identify areas that might need attention. From here on, your tasks and overall project progress will update automatically as you mark tasks complete or adjust statuses. That means the more regularly you maintain these fields, the more reliable your project dashboard becomes. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.